I am going to show you how to integrate your Shop-a-Tech store with any other third-party autoresponder. So we have it set up already to work with Aweber and GetResponse. If you're using one of those two services, check out the videos that refer to those. But if you're using a different service, you can still use it with your store. The process is a little bit different though. What we're going to do is we need to go into modules, and we're going to actually use the custom HTML module. So it's going to be very similar to the other one. We're going to go here to where it says HTML content, and we're going to click the pencil. And you can name your form whatever you want. We'll just call it opt-in new. This will not appear on the website, only what you put here is. So we could just say sign up now or whatever. And then what we want to do is paste our form in here, but we need to change this to code view and not text view. So you're going to come over here and click on code view, and then you're going to delete what's in there. And then you're going to go to whatever autoresponder service you're using. Okay, so you might be using MailChimp or iContact or Constant Contact, and you want to get the HTML version of the form. So all of those services allow you to create what's called a web form, so you could capture subscribers on your website. You're going to create that form, and then you're going to get the code for that form, and you're going to come here and just Control V to paste it in. Okay, you're going to paste it in, change this to enabled, and then you're going to save the changes. And that's all there is to it. And then what will happen is it will put that actual form on your store. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. The one thing that's important to know is the graphics that come included for sign up for opt-in forms will only work with the default store autoresponder or Aweber or GetResponse. Okay, so if you're using a different third-party autoresponder, you'll need to create the form the way you design it, the way you want it to look in that autoresponder service. So for example, if you wanted it to be a blue box with a flower on the top, there are form designers in all of the services. So if you belong to MailChimp, you'd go into MailChimp, you'd create the form, you'd create it with a blue box and a flower, and then you'd get the code and paste the code in. So that way it would appear correctly. All right, so that's how it would work. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into the layouts. And if you want to add it, let's say you wanted to add it to your home layout. Okay, you would go and click on your home layout. And then we're going to click on the plus down here. And we're going to choose under HTML content, opt-in new. Okay, and decide where to put it. So let's say column left. And then put the sort order and save it. And that will make that form appear on your website. And that will work with any autoresponder service. All you need is the HTML version of the web form, and you can integrate it.